Naaksidente si Sara Labati at ang kanyang pamilya sa Skyway. Tila may malalim na hugot si Sara Labati matapos masangkot sa car accident sa may Skyway. Ibinahagi ni Sara ang unfortunate incident na ito sa kanyang broadcast channel sa Instagram madaling araw ng Biyernes, December 15, 2023. Makikita ang bagong sasakyan ni Sara na Mazda CX-5 ang gamit niya nang mangyari ang sinabi niyang car accident. Nasa mahigit 2.4 million umano ang halaga ng brand new car. Sabi pa ni Sara, "Today we were given a second chance. Just when you think everything you worry about should be the center of the world, you're reminded of God's lessons, promises, and the bigger picture. All you have to do is take a step and let Him guide you." Mabuti na lamang daw at walang nasaktan sa kanila ng masangkot sa aksidente. Aniya, "We were involved in an accident on the Skyway. Fortunately, all 3 cars involved avoided any casualties and we are all okay." Tila may malalim na hugot si Sara sa isang bahagi ng kanyang anunsyo. Ngayong taon daw kasi ang pinakamahirap na kanyang pinagdaanan. Sabi niya, "I'm not sharing this for you to feel bad for us. I'm sharing this story because this year has been the toughest of my life. Yet I am reminded of goodness, His second chances and His promises. Things could have been much worse, yet my family and I are alive and well. Life goes on."